hard to vlog in public. What's up, y'all? I have not updated the vlog at all. Again, your girl is scared to vlog in public. This is currently my camera, so it's big. iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's big, it's huge. So it's hard to vlog in public. I try my best. I like a small little vlogging camera. I see some vloggers that have that small vlogging camera. I need it because it's hard to film in public and I really want to get that content, but it's just, we're all shy. And it's a big camera, big phone. It's a big phone. Basically, my mom and I are getting groceries because a snowstorm is coming up. It's gonna come tomorrow, so tonight we went to Sam's Club and then Walmart and then Sam's Club, and now we're at Trader Joe's. So we've been everywhere. And then nails. Okay, what? That's what's up. I'll update you guys later. Bye. Setup. Got a pan warming up with some olive oil on it. It's too much olive oil. I'm not pouring hot oil straight into the sink in a coffee cup, guys, so don't worry. And we have the coffee basically ready to go. I sliced some tomatoes and then I cut up some purple onion and green bell peppers, some salad mix, and then I made my own dressing. I have whole grain oat nut bread and then my egg. So I'm gonna do, I think it's a sunny side up. And then as it's cooking, I'm going to add purple onion and the green bell peppers on top of the egg. And then I'm gonna add all my seasoning and cheddar cheese. And then I'm gonna actually grab my cottage cheese and get that prepped. But that is what is up, y'all. I don't know if that even makes sense, but let me continue. Look at that, guys. So good. I'm gonna add sriracha in there. Oh, about to eat so freaking good. Yes. Guys, it's snowing. Snowing. Oak, look. Oak. Come here, come here. Oh my gosh. Hey, oh, go, 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 go. It's so cold. Chilly. Guys, look at my snowing bra. We're going there. Father, I pray it's good, Lord. Let's see. I have a hair mask on.
Days ago, I'm still very jet lagged. So it's been so nice.
I'm most likely will cover this because I'm not showing you my laundry. So what I like to do on top, I like to have my underwear, bras, and paddings for my bras on the top drawer. The second drawer is my PJs. I love this Aden brand, the Aden brand at Target. So good, like literally the best PJs ever. And guys, my folding abilities are really weird. I roll just to make a lot of space. Yeah, and I don't have my bed coverings on yet because I have to currently clean them. Also, this is very intimate. I've never filmed a vlog like this where it's like literally like me like folding my clothes, or I never posted a video of me doing something like this before on my channel. It's very intimate, and I see a lot of other YouTubers do it. It is very intimate. I'm folding my laundry in front of you guys. I mean, anything that's like undies or bras will be blurred. Come on now. Yeah, this weekend there was this really big snowstorm here in my hometown. So I've just been locked away. Earlier in this vlog, I think it's in this vlog, Mom and I went to Sam's Club, buy food for the family so we didn't have to worry about, you know, getting food. But yeah, I just made this tomato soup, guys. It's so good. I'm getting better at it. And my cheat day is, like I said, I'm trying to stay away from as much artificial sugar as I can. There's definitely a level to it. I'm not going too crazy. I'm just like, you know, staying with natural sugars. So like bananas, strawberries, that stuff is okay. What's up? Well, hopefully you guys are having a great New Year's. Hopefully everything's going well for y'all. We really are just pouring everything out here. Yes, we are. Oh, I hate doing this. I think we need to. There's just clothes I just do not use anymore, and I should just give it away. Give the clothes away. Like, I think it's really good to do this like at least like twice a year or so. Oh, I'm gonna have a bag where I just throw away clothes I don't need or I do need. So yeah, I'm just gonna organize this, I have another like plastic drawers. Actually, my phone is sitting on it. You guys are sitting on it. I'm gonna empty out as well. My hair mask, my at-home hair mask I make every single time, which is avocado, honey, banana, my favorite hair oils. I put my homemade rosemary oil in it. Oh, I forgot to put coconut oil. I think that's it. And then avocado, blend it all up. I usually put mayo in it, but we don't have any mayo. It's been in my hair for the past like hour or so, which is fine. I think you can leave it like up for two or 3 hours. Longer the better. You want to do this hairstyle, make sure your natural hair is cleaned. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing this. Bye. Morning. It is January. I love doing skincare. Uh-oh. My skin is not doing its best. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because I waxed too hard, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'll even show it on camera. My skin is playing against me. The time of the month is pulling up, so maybe that's why. I'm not sure, but yeah, just another chill day. Just working on my computer. I'm gonna finish up cleaning, and yeah, that's so bad. I'm gonna cover my chin. All right, bye. Hey vlog. So, I have not worn makeup so long, but basically today I'm gonna try pho for the first time ever, and I'm so excited. Hopefully I'm a fan of it. It's just, you know me, I love my ramen. You know, this year I'm trying to be healthier, but I've heard pho is like really good for you. That's what I heard, but I'm so excited to try it. I'm gonna do pho with like beef. Like it's gonna be like basically pho, but with beef in it, and I'm so excited. And I just had 2 egg rolls, and I've been fasting. My last meal was at 8:30 yesterday, 8:30 p.m. So she's been fasting a lot today, which I have to be very careful because as a woman in my menstrual cycle, you know, fasting every day is not the best. So I'm excited to eat. This is what I'm wearing my glasses. Oh no, guys, I'm just so hungry. I think I have a stuffy nose. It's like crazy cold outside. But yeah, we're gonna eat pho. I'll update you guys later. Bye. I want to do streaming too.
Not at this size. It's like dad's right there. She doesn't have rokies on.
Oh, really?
The only time I'd have to do it would be at night.
Or Saturday.
They be talking about. Bread.
They're making money, man. That's real true. Hello guys. Oh, it's so cold. So I'm shivering. I can't wait until I got some money. Very grateful I have a vehicle. Very blessed. Can't wait to have a car where I can just like heat it up remotely. So when I step in the vehicle, it's just warm. My brother's girlfriend took us to this pho restaurant. My brother and his girlfriend goes there all the time, and they brought me along as a third wheel, and I tried pho for the first time, guys. It's my new addiction. I like it. I feel like it's like a skinny, like healthy meal. I have to look online the benefits of pho, but this one was so good, and truly the broth is the show. It is the show. Oh, I sound like SpongeBob. So cold. I really hope I'm in frame. So I'm using my back cameras. Hopefully I'm in frame. You can see me. I don't want to start driving now. It's really cold. I have the heat all the way up. I'm waiting for it to do its thing. But yeah, I'm obsessed. It's so freaking good. And yeah, I had to take my best friend Sid here. It's really cute. We still got snow on the ground. It hasn't snowed for 2 days. So it's just today is like the weather is like a perfect type of weather to like go on a sled or something. Sled. I can't really talk because I'm cold. Oh, my belly. And I feel so good. I'm gonna warm this up before I go to bed. I cannot wait. After my workout, it's so good. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm trying new things. I've been fasting a lot today, and like I mentioned earlier in this vlog, I don't want to be fasting every single day. Like, I don't know, I'm eating healthier, but I want to get to a point where I'm eating based on my cycle. You know, men and women, we're obviously not the same. So I just, even with working out, like, I don't know, today, I came across this really cool channel. It was like this girl, she's a Slovakian, hopefully that's the right word, and like she shares like tips about how to be healthier and stuff like that. And I was just watching her videos today. I'm a huge fan of her, and she's like honest and straightforward, and she's gorgeous. So, and I'm trying to get more into like healthy, natural type of girl. I want to have that type of lifestyle where I'm like eating like natural stuff. Like even like, y'all, I want to make my own deodorant, because the stuff they be putting in, y'all, they're just trying to kill us. They're literally putting so many bad things into our food and stuff, and even our deodorants. So I just want to be better at making my own deodorant, eating healthy foods. And I think her channel really educational when it comes to those topics. But yeah, it's so cold. And the sky looks so beautiful. The one cool thing about living in Oklahoma is that you get the coolest sunsets. I think I am warmed enough. Whew. And we're gonna go back home, work on YouTube, and then work out, and then take a shower, have fun. I think I may stop I need to get sunscreen. Can I make my own sunscreen? Guys, what if I become an almond mom? Y'all, shut up. I feel like that's my future, man. Because when you really start researching about processed foods and stuff, like, I really want to have like a little sit down discussion about what? People are weird. I really want to have a video where I'm just sitting down talking about, I want to have an educational video where I'm talking about like the stuff they'd be putting in our food. But yeah, maybe Sib, my best friend, would check out her channel. She does like bio videos and stuff like that. So maybe she'll do a video about that. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you, they're killing us. They are. I sound really conspiracy right now, but for real, once you like deep dive and do your research, you have to be someone that's really good at researching and finding credible sources. But if you're that type of person, you do your research, you know what I'm talking about. But let's start driving, and yeah, bye. So it looks like it's halftime. We just got back eating pho, and I just am watching the Pelicans versus OKC Thunder. I'm so tired. I'm gonna do the Izzy Pilates workout and then eat my pho. I think I'm gonna have a grilled cheese sandwich, because literally all I had was green tea, a smoothie, pho, egg rolls, and I didn't even finish my pho. So, and then egg rolls, and then agreed. Yeah, so I may just have the rest of my pho, and then I really want a grilled cheese sandwich. I think I'm not gonna do the grilled cheese, but I think I have some like spring egg rolls in the fridge I may put in the air fryer. But I'm gonna work out as I watch the game. Yeah, we've been losing games lately, but I mean, we have basically 6 players out. I think February 3rd. 2nd, J-Dub gets to be reevaluated to see if he can like come back and play. We need him back to play, because we do. Yeah, bro, that pho took me out, man. I'm tired. But, don't want to work out. Glad it's good, but I'm going to tidy up and then start working out. Bye. Oak. So I just finished working out, and I was watching the OKC Thunder game against the Pelicans, and there was 2 fights on the court involving like Jay Will and Dort, got attacked by some Pelican players. And like, I don't know, like I guess Dort and this Pelican player, I think peer, the Pelican team were like fighting, and everyone on both sides, both teams and their benches came out to the basketball court. And I've never seen in a while like so many people trying to like disperse a fight between two athletes. Pear, whatever his name is, I don't know, the Pelican player maybe said something to Dort, and then Dort reacted, because Dort, from what I've seen from the instant replay, it looked like Dort just like pushed him. So I think the Pelican player says something like offensive. I don't know. The Pelican player, like, when they're pulling him off the court, he just kept telling people, get off me, I want to fight him, I want to fight Dort. So, and like OKC Thunder, like this team, they're very like, they're about business. They want to go in and just play. They're not really here for the drama. So it's very rare to see OKC players like get upset like that. I'm not saying OKC Thunder doesn't start some drama with like other players, you know, they're playing against. Crazy. But I just finished Izzy Pilates workout challenge. Well, I'm on day 24 and I know what today is like. Hold on. I know it's the 27th. The reason why I'm like behind is because I skip Sundays. I don't work out on Sundays. My last workout challenge for the 25-day Izzy Pilates 2026 workout challenge. That's tomorrow, the last one. It's full body 40 minutes. So I'm excited. But I think I'm just gonna continue just doing Izzy Pilates. I may just redo the same series here, or I may do her 2025 series. 2025 challenge, because I want to be consistent. But I'm gonna start adding cardio next week. But she also has like weekly workout playlists, or may just pick one of those and just work my way, just do playlist after playlist. But I'm so behind on my videos. Like my past few videos on my channel have been I'm like maybe 2 days off from my posting schedule, and I post every 7 days, so I'm really upset. But I need to literally edit this video, but we're not staying up. We're gonna just do it tomorrow morning. But OKC Thunder is playing against the Wolves. Thursday's gonna be a good game, but we basically don't have, we have a lot of players that are out, so it's gonna be like a tough game. But yeah, also Pelicans, they've been winning against some like good teams. Like they beat the Spurs with the, bro, they were playing so bad during this game. I think they were like making at one point like 3 out of 24 threes. That was really bad. But then like at the last quarter, literally the last like 20 seconds when Pelicans had the possession of the ball, like we were not rebounding. I was like, guys, being too nice. We basically won the game, but rebound. But I don't know. Let's go take a shower. After you can say bye.